Hey guys, North Texas Gun Noob here again, and as the title says, this is how my M&P 9C handled steel-cased ammo. I've put probably about a couple hundred rounds of brass through it, and another couple hundred rounds of the steel stuff through it, and, well, long story short, it goes through brass, no problems at all with brass, but steel-cased ammo is absolutely terrible. It does not like it. And I've added a couple short video clips of me shooting earlier today at the range, and the first type of steel-cased ammo that I used in the next two little video clips was the Tula ammo. I'm assuming most of y'all already know what Tula ammo is. If you don't, well, here's what it looks like. It's basically just steel-cased ammunition, and the bullet is a bimetal jacket, and it's cheap. That's why I buy this stuff. And also the other type of steel-cased ammunition that I use in this video, well, the kind in the very last video clip, is this Monarch stuff. It's also steel-cased. This is what it looks like. It's I guess just a little bit greener than the Tula ammo, at least the case is. And the bullet is also a bimetal jacket. And it's also pretty cheap. And side by side, here are the two rounds, Tula on the left and Monarch on the right. Alright, enough of me talking, so here's two short little video clips of me shooting the Tula ammo at the range. Just 5 rounds each.
It's hard to tell. That's just hard to tell.
Relax.
Yeah.
Because you're yanking the trigger.
Careful with your thumb. Put your thumb down.
There you go. Oh my God. Wow. Now the trick is to do it again.
Are we in at 4?
Easy as that.
Well, as you saw, that was pretty terrible. My M&P 9C absolutely does not like Tula ammo. I'd say the failure rate, or failure to cycle the gun, is probably around a rate of 90%. So, yeah, that's how the gun handles with Tula ammo. And this last video clip is, as I said before, the Monarch steel-cased ammunition, so, well, here's what happens.
That's what people do. Right up on top of the rifles. Because you want to kind of stretch it.
Push that down.
Go ahead.
Yep. There you go. Put the gun down.
If there's any black shadow, it's too close, too far away. It should be one solid picture.
These bullets suck. Getting caught. That one got away.
Well, that was a slightly bit different malfunction compared to the Tula ammo. As you saw, there was a light primer strike on the 4th round I tried to fire. Instead of throwing in a bunch of other video clips of me shooting the Monarch stuff and getting a light primer strike and just sitting an extra 30 seconds of me doing nothing through the video, That's just take my word for it. This happens at least every couple of rounds with the Monarch stuff. These light primary strikes just always happen with the Monarch. So that's just my little quick video overview of my M&P 9C and how it does with steel-cased ammunition. And, well, of course, it absolutely hates steel-cased ammunition, so that's a bit of a problem for me. I run steel-cased Tula, Monarch, etc. Through basically all my other guns, and those are almost like 99 to 100% functional with steel-cased ammunition. Just this gun, the M&P 9C, just does not like it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I like steel-cased because it's cheaper, and I have the other guns that reliably shoot it. So I don't know. I might send it back into Smith & Wesson and see if they can figure out what's going on with it, or maybe I'll just add it to the possible trade it in for another gun or something. I don't know. So, well, that's about it. So, thanks for watching.